How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here? Well, this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and I have been using this phone from the past couple of days. Even though the device is great, but one thing that I really miss is the notification LED light that we used to get in older phones. With that being said, in this video, I will be showing you how you can make better use of this punch hole which you get in the center of the screen. Basically, I will show you how to activate a very useful LED light around the camera cutout, so whenever you receive any notifications, you will have this LED light blinking around the notch so that you don't miss any notifications. With that said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end, because if you miss any step, then it will not work for you. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first thing you need to do is head over to the Play Store and download this application called AOD Notify. It is totally free to download and I will also make sure to drop a direct link in the description below. Once you have installed the app, simply open it and tap on Next. Now you will get this screen where you need to set up the application. You don't have to worry, I will show you how to do that. First, you need to select what are the applications you want to get the notification LED light. So I will choose a bunch of applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, and let's select Telegram as well. Next, you need to grant the permission for notification access. It is completely safe, so just go ahead and allow the permission. Now, in order to use this application, you have to set the always on display as show always. Then only the app will work for you. So just go to your phone setting, always on display, and make sure you have set it to show always. Then you need to grant one more permission, so just select the option and allow the permission that is required. Once you have completed all these settings, tap on Done. Here is the actual interface of this app where you can customize the light as per your preference. Now go to Notification Light, select Style and make sure it is set to Camera Edge. If you want, you can change it to Screen Edges, but I will recommend you to set it as Camera Edge so that the LED light will blink around the punch hole, which looks great. Next, if you go to Effects, here you can change the style or effect of this LED light. You get 3 styles for absolutely free, and if you want to unlock more, you need to pay for the Pro version. Apart from this, you can also increase the thickness and change the size of this LED light. Next, if I go to Colors, I can select a custom color for each application. Now again, if you want to unlock this feature, you need to pay for the Pro version. But I guess the free version is more than enough for you. You can just go ahead and select any default color of your choice. I will go with red, so whenever I receive any notification, I will have this red color LED light blinking around the camera cutout. There is another feature that I want to show you. If you go to Notifications, select Battery. Here you can activate the LED light when your phone isn't charging. If you want, you can enable this feature, it's totally up to you. So that's it. This is how you can set up this application and activate a very useful LED light on your device. All you have to do is just follow all the steps that I have mentioned in this video. Trust me, it works really well. Whenever you receive any notification, you will have this beautiful light blinking around the camera. If you still face any issue, if you are unable to activate this LED light on your Galaxy device, then let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you out. So that's it for this video. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.